Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips. In this members-only tutorial, we'll walk you through how to implement the exciting new features of ShopSmart by ATT v2.0. By the end of this video, your app will include a visual shopping list, manual archiving, and a shopping history table. All designed to make your app smarter and more efficient. Let's get started. First, we'll update the shopping list table by adding 3 new columns and 1 virtual column. Item image, to attach a reference image. Purchase date, to capture the date automatically when an item is bought. Price, to track the cost of purchased items. A virtual column, total expenses, to calculate the total cost of purchased items. Next, we'll create the shopping history table to store archived records. Now, we'll set up the actions needed for archiving items and updating item statuses. Archive GP action, which groups 2 sub-actions, archive and delete. Next, we'll edit the existing ItemBought and CancelBought actions. Now, let's add the archive GP action to the shop list. Next, we'll update several UX components to reflect the new features. Update the shopping summary to include total expenses. Add images and prices to the shopping list and shopping list detail views. Include archiving functionality in the shop list views. Finally, let's add format rules to enhance the app's usability. And that's how you upgrade ShopSmart by ATT to v2.0. With these new features, your app is smarter, more visual, and better organized than ever. Want to stay ahead with the latest updates? Join our members-only tutorial series for detailed guides and resources for each new version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. What features would you like to see next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.